Plant FAQs, Begonia Masoniana. All about the Begonia Masoniana, your guide to the Iron Cross begonia. Hi, Ferb here, and I'm a huge houseplant enthusiast. One of my favorite plants is the Begonia Masoniana, also known as the Iron Cross begonia. This stunning plant is not only easy to care for, but boasts some of the most captivating foliage in the houseplant world. Today, I'm answering all your burning questions about the Begonia Masoniana. From its unique features to care tips and common issues, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about this captivating plant. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia Masoniana special? The Begonia Masoniana is a true conversation starter. Unlike many flowering begonias, this variety is prized for its mesmerizing leaves. These large, asymmetrical beauties are a vibrant green, adorned with a prominent dark brown, almost black, marking in the center that resembles an iron cross, hence the nickname. The texture of the leaves adds another layer of interest. They're rough and bumpy, feeling almost velvety to the touch. This rhizomatous perennial grows to a manageable size, reaching around 18 to 24 inches in height. It thrives in pots and containers, making it ideal for apartments or smaller living spaces. Plus, the Begonia Masoniana is a low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy plant parents or beginners. Begonia Masoniana versus other popular begonias. While the Begonia Masoniana is all about the foliage, other begonias are known for their beautiful blooms. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide which begonia might be right for you. Begonia rex. This begonia shares the Masoniana's love of stunning leaves, but in a wider variety of colors and patterns. However, the rex begonia can be a bit more demanding in terms of humidity and light requirements. Begonia semperflorens. Often called the wax begonia, this variety is known for its prolific blooms in shades of pink, red, and white. It's a low-maintenance option that thrives in sunny conditions. Begonia fuchsioides, nicknamed the angel's wing begonia. This variety boasts cascading clusters of delicate white or pink flowers. It prefers cooler temperatures and higher humidity. Ultimately, the best begonia for you depends on your preferences. If you prioritize captivating foliage and ease of care, the Begonia Masoniana is a winner. How to care for Begonia Masoniana. The Begonia Masoniana is a forgiving plant, but following some basic care tips will ensure it thrives. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Look for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Humidity. While the Begonia Masoniana can tolerate average household humidity, it appreciates a slight boost, especially during winter. Grouping your plants together or using a humidifier can help. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, at half strength according to the package instructions. Common issues and how to fix them. Here are some common problems you might encounter with your Begonia Masoniana and how to address them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Move the plant to a location with brighter indirect light. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your Begonia Masoniana to a brighter spot. Pest infestation. Begonia Masoniana is generally pest-resistant, but occasional infestations of mealybugs or spider mites can occur. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil spray. Conclusion. The alluring Begonia Masoniana awaits. With its captivating foliage, ease of care, and manageable size, the Begonia Masoniana is a wonderful addition to any home. So, why not bring a touch of the tropics indoors and experience the beauty of the Iron Cross begonia for yourself? By following the simple care tips in this guide, you can ensure your Begonia Masoniana thrives for years to come. Happy planting!